Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix skate lost connection error. So these methods works for PC, PS5, Xbox, Switch. So make sure to follow my steps. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are already connected to the internet. So if you are on PC, just go to your browser and type in anything. If you did receive any result, you're good. Just go reboot your router to make sure that that is not the issue. For the next step, we just need to check that the issue is not on your end. If you are on PC, you just need to go to the help.ea.com server status. If you are on console, you can do that using your phone if you want. After that, scroll down, look for skate. If you find it online right here, that way you ensure that the issue is on your end. So now what you need to do for the next step, you just need to verify the integrity of the game files. So go to your launcher that you have the game on, EA or Steam or anyone. I will do it on Steam. You can do that on any launcher and on any platform. Once it opens, go to the view. After that, go to library, search for the skate game. You will find it in the left menu. Select this gear icon. You need to go to properties. So after that, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing file that prevents you from successful connection will be automatically fixed. So just wait for the process to finish. See if that works. If the problem still occurs, go to the search, go to the settings of your operation system. Now make sure you have already updated your console or your PC to the latest update, so go to the Windows update for me and make sure you install the latest available updates you will find. After that, go to the search and type in troubleshoot. Select troubleshoot settings and then click on other troubleshooters. Now you can see the network and internet section. Select run and see if that works. For the last step that you can do, you just need to reset your PS5, your PC or whatever you have. So make sure to restart it and hopefully that works. If you find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing and see you on the next one.